Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to install the S13 clutch pedal. Before I do that, I'm going to drill the hole to the firewall first and then install the pedal. I finally got the drill bits, and I got some bolts and nuts that I got from work, and let's get started. On the previous video, I was mentioning about drilling a hole to the firewall, so I'm just gonna go for it, and hopefully that while I'm drilling doesn't damage anything else. So wish me luck. Okay, now I just finished drilling the hole to the firewall, and it's successful. So let's go take a look at the other side. Alright, so it looks like it went through and looks like it didn't damage anything, so this is good news. So now let's install the clutch pedal. Alright, so now the S13 clutch pedal is now on, and also is holding on the bottom bolt, and also is holding the top bolt as well. At this time, we're going to install the S13 clutch master, and let's get started. Here's the S13 clutch master. Alright, so that is the next thing that we're going to be installing. And also I also got these from the Nissan dealer, thanks to a friend of mine that hooked me up. I've got the pin, I got the snap pin, and also here's the clutch line. Alright, so let's do this. The first thing I will do is I'm going to install this clutch line to the clutch master. That way later on I don't have to do it anymore. Alright. So the length of this clutch line is just enough, and so what's next is this little 90-degree elbow right here. That is the one that connects to the clutch master. Take this cap off, and make sure that you put some Teflon tape on it. I don't have any right now, but I'm just gonna mock it up, and then once I have it, I'll put some Teflon tape on it. Okay, so it should look like this. Alright, everything is hand tight for now, and like I said, once I have the Teflon tape, I'll secure everything tight, and we can go from there. Now I'm just gonna put the clutch master into the firewall and connects to the clutch pedal, and insert those pins and snap-on pin. Alright. Alright, so now the clutch master is installed, and so let's go underneath the dashboard, and let's connect the push rod to the clutch pedal. As you can see, the push rod is it will need to be adjustments, so you just have to adjust the clutch pedal just how you like it. So at this time I'm gonna adjust the angle of the push rod, and then insert the pins and the snap pin. Alright, now the S13, the push rods is connected to the S13 clutch pedal, and I just finished install the pins and the snap pins. And I noticed that the clutch pedal seems a little bit higher. And I hope that it's okay. I think it's fine, as long that you know you can put into gears. Now at this time I'm going to focus on the automatic shifter and go ahead and take it apart, drain the fluid, and maybe disconnect the drive shaft, and we'll see how it goes today, and hopefully get most of them all done, and then maybe the next video can able to take the transmission down. Alright, so now I am underneath the car, so I'm gonna start taking these pins out. As you can see, here's the leverage right here, and automatic shifter is just above me with that black cover right there. So once we disconnect this clip right here, just like that, alright, and then we could just push this thing out. Alright, just like that. Alright. That end right there, it will go to this rubber grommet right here. That holds the leverage. Alright. So we're gonna go back inside the car, and looks like this could be some bolts that's holding the shifter, and we're gonna take it out. Alright. And right here, there's the drive shaft. Alright. And here's the transmission. I still need to drain the automatic transmission fluid. Alright. And hopefully I can start taking all these bolts out around the housing, and yeah, we're getting there. Just got done cleaning all these spider webs, and looks pretty freaky, so yep. Okay, so now we are inside the car, and the first thing you would do, you're gonna take this plastic bezel out. It most likely is going to hold some clips, so all you have to do is just pop it up gentle. You know, you don't want all these bezels to break, because it costs a lot. It could be expensive, especially these rare vehicles and parts. Alright, so go ahead and unplug this harness right here. So looks like it's holding with 4 bolts, one right here, one right there, and somewhere around there. So let's get to it. Alright, so once I loosen up the 4 bolt for the shifter, I noticed that the center console has to come out too. So go ahead and take those bolts out, one right here and one right here. Take this one out, and then the ones right there, there should be another one right there too. Alright, and then hopefully the center console should just come out. Hopefully, and the shifter, it will come out as well in one piece. Alright, let's check it out. Once we got this center console out, there's like a little vacuum hole right here, and on the back side is holding 2 screws right there. So go ahead and take those 2 screws out, and hopefully it should just pop out. After disconnect the 2 screws like I mentioned, then just slide this console on the side. That way you can have plenty of space to work on here. And seems like it's loose, so I'm gonna try to disconnect it. Alright, now the automatic shifter is out, so we just have to disconnect the harness. There's 3 plugs right here, and this one was the one that it was connected to yeah, it was connecting to this plug right here. Alright, so this white one goes to this white one, and so yeah, but you know, it doesn't really matter, because you know, I will no longer need the automatic shifter anyway. So yeah, just in case, for future reference, if I decide to put the automatic back into, you know, automatic setup, you know, that way I will know where to go. Alright, so at this time we're just gonna disconnect all those plugs, and yeah, this thing is out of here. Bye bye. Alright guys, I'm going to stop right here and start wrapping it up. There's some places that I had to be with family, and I apologize for that. And I'm happy that I able to take out the shifter out without any problem. And I hope that, you know, during this conversion, it stays like that. And so yeah, on the next episode we'll focus on more draining the auto transmission fluid, disconnect the drive shaft, and hopefully able to drop the transmission down and focus on more other, you know, other good stuff, such as the flywheel, the pilot bearing, the clutch, and yeah, and hopefully that would be the next goal, and hopefully that get this thing up running. And for those who that haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like what you see, and just go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. That way you guys can get my up-to-date videos. And like I said, I'll do my best to upload at least 1 or 2 videos once a week. And so yeah, and until next time.